Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT lagging on your computer. So if ChatGPT is taking forever to respond on your computer but somehow works perfectly fine on your phone, don't worry, this is actually a pretty common issue. I'm going to walk you through a simple ways to fix it. First, go ahead and open ChatGPT on your computer like you normally would. Look down at the bottom left corner and click on your profile name. From there, hit log out and confirm it. After signing up, head on to your browser's address bar. So it's right here at the top. You'll see a small icon, usually a lock or settings icon, and click on that. Then select cookies inside data. Click on cookies. Now, if you see ChatGPT in here, select on it and click on remove down here and click on done. Now sign back into ChatGPT account and check if the lag is gone. Now, for a lot of people, this alone fixes the problem. Now, if it's still slow, don't worry, there's another option. So go to your start menu and open Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT and just download the official app. So click on Get to install the app. And if you're using a Mac, you can grab it from the App Store instead. Now, once the app is installed, open it and log in and test it again. Now, running ChatGPT as a dedicated app often performs better than using it in a browser. Now, if you're still experiencing lag, there's one more thing that usually solves it. And this one's important. If you've been chatting for a long time in a single conversation, that chat can become heavy and slow things down. What you want to do is start fresh, but without losing your progress. So, in your current chat, you can say, "This chat has become too long and is starting to lag. Please summarize everything so I can continue a new chat." So, just send the prompt. So, once it responds, you can follow up with generate a full context and a hand of summary that I can copy and paste into the new chat. Then send it. So after it generates the summary, copy everything, start a brand new chat, and paste it there. So this gives you a clean, fast conversation while keeping all your context. And that's it. Between clearing site data, using the official app, and start a fresh chat when things get too long, you should see a big improvement in speed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.